guys, so many different positions. Actually, my sister's room watching Harry Potter right now, but it is the ads, and I did promise you guys a reaction video. So today I'm going to be reacting to Vote Fine by Kaye. Now, if you don't know who Kaye is, what are you doing with your life? Sorry, but what are you doing? He is Charlie Puth's best mate. He's been in so many videos with Charlie. He was in The Way I Am. He was in Man in a Wig. He was in just so many of Charlie's very first videos. But I'm going to be reacting to the music video, which you guys will be seeing up here. And yeah, so I did download the video before. Where is it? Vote Fine, here we go. Here's my reaction to Vote Fine.
Yeah. Vote Phone, hey.
Nice hat.
Call me on my vote phone. Call me on my vote phone like yeah. PILSO. Call me on my vote phone. Call me on my vote phone. Hey. Cause you know I'm not home. Straight chillin' with some grandmas. Ay. Pull up in that 24, and I got that wrist that size cold. Yeah. Call me on my vote phone. Call me on my vote phone. Call me on my vote phone. Can't read me cause I'm ozone. Sig it up to my Range Rover. All 12 on my iPhones. Come through to the crib, it's a ball. Hope you got a kayak cause I don't. Put your shit on kayak cause you broke. I'm a 20 jet skis in my mode. Change your iPhone to a and I saw your new bitch, she a bozo. Real big titties, homie, y'all big fly. You know we ain't no motherfucking light bulb. Come through with the flex, I'm the one who next. And my shit so established that my boat right checks. Iceberg on my wrist, presidential Rolex. And I caps as a bitch when she wanna do sex. Call me on my boat phone. Call me on my boat phone. Cause you know I'm not home. Straight chillin' with some grandmas. Ay. Pull up in that 24, and I got that wrist that size cold. Yeah. Call me on my boat phone. Call me on my boat phone. She said she drippin' wet, I'm Steve Virgo. I'm diving in that pussy, no snorkel. She said she drippin' wet, I'm Steve Virgo. I ain't diving in that pussy, no snorkel. PILSO. Call me on my boat phone. Call me on my boat phone. Hey. Cause you know I'm not home. Straight chillin' with some grandmas. Ay. Pull up in that 24, and I got that wrist that size cold. Yeah. Call me on my boat phone. Call me on my boat phone. Hey.
Interesting, very interesting. So that was Vote Fine. I don't quite understand the title considering they went on a boat. Love the beat, love the moves, love how it's not pushy, a pushy song, love it. I would, out of 10, rate it a honest opinion, sorry Adam if you do see this, but a 7.5 just because the title, Vote Fine. Like, I would have imagined you to be on a boat instead of driving a Tesla and all these sports cars, but it was an amazing video. Definitely going to be rocking out to it. Please New Zealand. If you see this video, I will link below the links to the video. Videos, I think it's on Spotify, Apple Music, links in below. Go hit it up. Let's try to get it in a top whatever, like top 100, top 50, top 10, you know, whatever. Let's do this. That was my reaction to Vote Fine. Not very big reaction, you know, honest reaction. What am I doing with my hands? Yeah, I'm doing this because my camera's going flat. I will see you all next Friday. Bye!